Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription, right? So you have to do one thing, you have to just open your Chrome browser, and here you can see that I'm already logged into my Shopify dashboard. If you want, you can install the Shopify mobile application too. So on the top left side corner, you can see the three horizontal lines here. If you click, you will see the settings icon. So just click on the settings, and here you will get the option of billing, right? And basically, if you have taken the plan, all the billing will become here, right? So you have to make sure that here in the subscription you will get the option that how many, whether you have taken the basic subscription or premium one or the business one, right? Here you can just click on view all, and after just it will load, and here you can cancel it from clicking on the three dots. Right now I'm just getting the select plan because I don't have any subscription right now, but you can do it very easily. So this is very easy guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.